We all know that there are certain people on Amazon who are gaming the Amazon system to their own advantage. Now, I don't want to get into too much about that. Suffice to say, it's always fascinating to me to see how they're gaming it, because once you know how somebody's gaming the system, well, if they're in your niche, you can report them, get them out of a system, or you can use the ideas yourself, remembering, of course, this is just informational purposes, entertainment purposes only. Certainly don't recommend you engage in any black hat stuff yourself. Suffice to say, let me show you exactly how they're doing it. So here's our product. And this product looks like it's doing quite well. 8,000 ratings, $80 per month, and being sold by Premier E-Retail. Pretty cool. So let's just go through for these guys, Premier E-Retail. And we can see that they're selling anything else. So they only sell this one brand, which is the brand Wonder Sleep. Okay, so the seller only sells one thing. That brand is Wonder Sleep. Okay, let's just make a note of that. Then let's just come back to the listing. So now let's just scroll down. Okay, so we can see here that these people have got the necessary content that tells us they are brand registered. Okay, meaning they must have registered a trademark. So if we come up here, which is to the USPTO, we can actually look for their trademark. Here's one I prepared earlier for you, Wonder Sleep. And here are the trademarks that's been registered in and the classes it's been registered in, okay? Nothing untowards yet. So let's just click into that. Here is the actual thing. So we can see now, again, nothing untowards as yet, okay? It's been registered by Lijun Liu, who's based in Shenzhen in China, okay? That is the registrant. Through the attorney has done that for them. So that is the owner of the particular mark, Li Liujun. So if we follow that through, now if we take the individual's name and come in here and search on the individual's name, we can see what marks they actually own. And as you can see, they own 50 trademarks. Okay, so they've got 50 marks that they individually own in the United States. Okay, we don't know what they're doing with them yet, but they own 50, which is a lot, different marks. And you can see there's all sorts of different things here. All sorts of different crazy stuff, Nippon and Clarium, and they sound like brand names. Dream Right, Wonder Sleep, that was the one we just looked at just there. They sound like brand names, okay? So a little bit more. So there's one here called Tethys. That is the brand name of another trademark that Li Jun owns. So we already know about Wonder Sleep, but now let's go and have a look at Tethys. So this is their brand name. So Tethys, the brand, has quite a few different things. So they've got screen collector glass, they've got mop and bucket, so really disparate things, microfiber cleaning pads, blah, 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 and this wireless security camera. So let's just click into the wireless security camera. Again, a plethora of ratings, like a lot. Back here, we could see 8,000 ratings. And again, here we see a ton of ratings. All owned, by the way, by this particular person. Again, nothing really blacky hatty just yet. Just a guy that happens to own a lot of brands and he's selling those brands on Amazon through brand registry. Nothing really black hat yet. Let's keep digging. So then I start looking at other things as well. There's another one he's got, 58,000 ratings. That's a lot of ratings. Holy shit. A lot of different ratings. And I start thinking to myself, I wonder what the ratings are like. I wonder what their ratings are like. I wonder how they're getting so many ratings. Okay. And the easiest way something for you to check out now with your competitors, here's something actionable for you, is to go to your competitors and pull up their page, which talks about their customer reviews. When you do that, you'll be presented with the ability to type in something and search within the reviews for a particular thing. So I just did gift card, hit on search. And as a result of that, we can now find out how they're able to get so many ratings. So here, I even contacted with figure people, they're giving redeemable gift cards in exchange for a 5-star review. Okay, that is 100% against Amazon's terms of service. What else we got? They give you a fake gift card, which I just thought was hilarious. So you're getting a fake gift card, meaning that not only do they promise to give you a gift card in exchange for a 5-star review, when they actually send you the gift card, it's a fake gift card. Pretty naughty to do that. So I looked at that and I thought, okay, well, that's how they're getting all those reviews, okay? But then I started looking at the people who are leaving the reviews. Like, who are these people leaving the actual 5-star reviews for these products? Turns out it's people like Zoraida Adams, who have left reviews on this Docom, on this Clarion, maybe you remember some of these brand names, on this Dion, on the Simple Joys, on the Zinus, and they're leaving negative reviews on other people's stuff, by the way. The Hyper Pet stuff. So there are a group of people, and the easiest way for me to demonstrate that to you is this. There are a group of people who are leaving reviewers on all the same owned products. Okay, so you've got this guy at the top who owns the brands, and then you've got each individual trademark. They have multiple seller accounts for those trademarks, and the reason they do that is because if they get caught with one, they quickly ditch it and move on to the next one. And then each product is being shared amongst a review team to get all the reviews. That is Black Hat working very, very well, clearly, on Amazon, because they've got a ton of ratings and things like that. Hey, this is Neil-Asher from the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We help people just like you start your own successful business, selling things online, whether that's through Amazon, Shopify, eBay, whatever it may be. We've got the tools that you need to help you succeed online. Whether you're a complete beginner or indeed a professional making millions of dollars, we can certainly help you. By the way, we've helped over 2,500 people right now here in Australia, as well as right around the world. We've got sales in our members community of over $50 million. If you'd like to find out how we did that and come and join us, get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. The link is in the description. That's aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au, and I will see you on the inside.